to 3 by 2 into 4. 1 3 is 3, 2 4 is 8. 3 by 8, this is the proper fraction. In this way we have to multiply. Multiplication is totally different. So addition and subtraction, so they are different. So in addition and subtraction, so how to simplify? By taking LCM, and so we simplified there. But here in multiplication it is not like that. No need to take any LCM, just you have to multiply numerator and numerator and denominator with denominator, we have to multiply. Here the concept, addition concept, you have to apply for addition only. Subtraction concept you have to apply subtraction concept, and multiplication concept you have to multiply concept. So don't apply addition concept in multiplication concept and multiplication in addition. So addition 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 is given. So it is not like that 1 plus 2 and 3 plus 4. Just we are adding numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. That is not correct. In the addition we have to take LCM and add. But in multiplication we have to multiply numerator with numerators and denominators. All numerators we have to multiply once and all denominators we have to multiply and write in denominator. This is the concept of multiplication of a fraction. Okay. Now the second one, multiply the following. So multiply, so just before we discuss how to multiply, numerator with numerator, 2 into 5, 5 into 4, denominator with denominator. So 5 with 4. So now, so 5 ones are 5 ones are, get cancel. Then 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Then what is there in the numerator? 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 by 2. Then the next 7 by 8 and 6 by 3. First we have to write 7 by 8. Second we have to write 6 by 3. So these two have common factor 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. Then after that again these two have common factor 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So then what is left in the numerator? 7 ones are 7, 4 ones are 4. 7 by 4. Then here, numerator with numerator, 10 into 1, 5 into 2. So these two have common factor 5, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. These two have common factor 2 ones are, 2 ones are. Then it means 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. 1 by 1 is 1. That we have to write. Then numerator with numerator, 9 by 7 into 2 by 6. 9 by 7, 9 into 2, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. These two have common factor 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Then 9, these two have common factor 3. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. Now in the numerator 3 ones are 3, 7 ones are 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. Now after that, so we have to multiply this, numerator with numerator, 10 into 3, 9 into 5. So then cancel this, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 2 by 3. Now, numerator with numerator, 5 into 6, 6 into 9. Then these two have 5 into 10 here. 5 into 10, 6 into 9. These two have common factor 2. 2 5s are, 2 3s are. Now, what is left? 5 5s are 25, 3 9s are 27. 25 by 27. Next, numerator with numerator, 12 into 1 by 8 into 6. These two have common factor 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Again these two have common factor 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Then 1 ones are 1, 4 ones are 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Then 8th question. So what is our 8th question? The 1 by 6 into 4 by 3 here. 1 by 6 into 4 by 3. 1 by 6 into 4 by 3. So now here, so numerator with numerator we have to multiply. 1 into 4, 6 into 3. So these two have common factor 2. 2 twos are, 2 threes are. It means 1 twos are 2, 3 threes are 9. 2 by 9. 2 by 9. So here, so now numerator with numerator, 2 into 4 by 3 into 2. So these two have common factor 2. 2 ones are, 2 ones are. Then in the numerator 1 4s are 4, in the denominator 3 ones are 3. 4 by 3. Now here, numerator with numerator, 10 into 7 by 7 into 11. These two have common factor 7, 7 ones are 7 ones are, 10 ones are 10 by 1 11s are 11, 10 by 11. Now, numerator with numerator, 6 into 9 by 9 into 3. These two have common factor 9, 9 ones are 9 ones are. These two have common factor 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are. What is there in the numerator? 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1. 2 by 1 means 2. The answer is 2. So, in this way first we have to multiply, and with the common factor we have to cancel and simplify numerator with numerator, multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, and write the fraction. If proper fraction is there, no need to simplify, that is our answer. Okay. Now, multiply the following mixed fractions. Mixed fractions we have to multiply. The concept is same. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper. 3 5 is 15, 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 3 into 6 by 5. Then these two have common factor 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are. Now, 16 twos are 32 by 5. So, this is improper fraction, we have to convert into mixed fraction. 5 6 are 30 and 2 left, 2 by 5. 6 2 by 5 is the answer. Now, in this 8 by 3 same, this we have to convert into improper. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2. These two have common factor 3, 3 ones are 3 ones are. Now, in the numerator 8 ones are 8, 1 twos are 2, 8 by 2. Again these two have common factor 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 4 by 1. 4 by 1 means 4. Now, after that, so this we have to convert into mixed fraction. 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 by 5 into 5 by 4. So, these two have common factor 5 ones are 5 ones are. Now, multiply numerator with numerator, 19 into 1, 1 into 4, 19 ones are 19, 1 4s are 4, 19 by 4. Now, this one 3 by 2 same, this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3. Now, multiply 3 into 4 by 2 into 3, then 3 3, 3 ones are 3 ones are, 2 ones are 2 twos are, then 1 into 2 by 1 into 1, 1 into 2 2, 1 ones are 1, 2 by 1 is 2. Now 5 by 4 as it is, this we have to convert into improper. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 3, that is 5 into 8 by 4 into 3. So, these two have common factor 4 ones are 4 twos are, then 5 twos are 10, 1 threes are 3, 10 by 3, 10 by 3 in mixed, 3 1 by 3. Next, this in common fraction, this is in improper fraction. 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 by 5 into 9 by 8, that is 16 into 9 by 5 into 8. Now, these two have common factor 8, 8 ones are 8 twos are. Now, 2 9s are 18 by 5 ones are 5, that is 3 3 by 5 in mixed fraction. Okay. Now, 14 by 10 same into, we have to convert this into improper. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 24, 24 by 7, that is 14 into 24 by 10 into 7. So these two have common factor 7. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. These two have common factor 2. 2 fives are, 2 12s are. Next, 12 twos are 24, 5 ones are 5. That is 5 fours are 20 and 4 by 5 in mixed fraction. Now we have to convert this into mixed fraction to improper. 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33. 33 by 8 into 12 by 11. That is 33 into 12 by 8 into 11. These two have 33 and 3 have common factor 11. 11 ones are, 11 threes are. These 8 and 12 have common factor 4. 4 twos are, 4 threes are. Then what is there in the numerator? 3 threes are 9 by 2 ones are 2. This is in mixed fraction 4 1 by 2. 4 1 by 2. The next, so we have to convert this into mixed to improper. 8 by 7 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3. These two have common factor 7, 7 ones are, 7 ones are. Then what is left in the numerator? 8 ones are 8 by 1 threes are 3. 8 by 3 in mixed fraction, 3 twos are 6 and 2 left, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Then 6 by 5 into improper. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. 25 by 4, that is 6 into 25 by 5 into 4. Then these two have common factor 5. 5 ones are, 5 fives are. These two have common factor 2. 2 twos are, 2 threes are. Now 3 fives are 15 by 1 twos are 2. 15 by 2 means 7 1 by 2 in mixed fraction. Now in improper fraction 9 by 2. 9 to the 18 plus 1 19. 19 by 2 into 4 by 3. Now multiply numerator with numerator by denominator with denominator. These two have common factor 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 19 twos are 38. 38 by 3. Then 38 by 3 in mixed fraction. 12 2 by 3. 12 2 by 3. Now this one. 5 by 4 into 1 1 by 10 in common fraction, improper fraction. 10 ones are 10, 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 10. 5 into 11 by 4 into 10. So these two have common factor 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Then 1 into 11 11, 4 twos are 8. So this improper fraction in mixed. 8 ones are 8, 3 by 8. So in this way we have to first convert mixed fractions into improper, then after that the procedure is same. So multiply, if any common factor is there, with that we have to cancel, and after that we have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay. Now so multiply the fractions and find the product. So again the same concept. See here 9 is given, there is no by, means by 1 is there. So now no common factor we have, so then we have to multiply numerator with numerator. 9 into 5 by 1 into 4. 9 5s are 45, 1 4s are 4. That is your answer. Now here 12 by 1, there is no by, means by 1 we have to take. Now we have to multiply numerator with numerator. 2 into 12 by 7 into 1. We do not have any common factor, so we have to multiply numerator and numerator. 12 twos are 24, 7 ones are 7. This is the answer. Now here there is no by, means by 1 is there. Now we have to multiply numerator with numerator. 9 into 1 by 1 into 8. Then 9 ones are 9, 1 8s are 8, 9 by 8. Now there is no by, means by 1 in here 7 by 1. multiply 2 into 7 by 7 into 1. So these two have common factor 7. Now we have to cancel with 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are. Now 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1. 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2 is the answer. Then after that 8 by 1. 8 by 1. Now numerator with numerator. 6 into 8 by 11 into 1. Now, so there is no common factor, so multiply numerator with numerator. 6 8s are 48, 11 1s are 11. Now 8 by 1. Now multiply numerator with numerator. 11 into 8 by 4 into 1. These two have common factor 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are 4. Now multiply numerator with numerator. 11 into 2 by 1 into 1. 11 2s are 22 by 1. 22 by 1 means 22 is the answer. Now here 10 by 1. Multiply numerator with numerator. 10 into 6 by 1 into 3. So these two have common factor 3 and 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Then multiply numerator with numerator. 10 2s are 20, 1 1s are 1. 20 by 1 means 20. 11 by 1. Then 5 into 11 by 10 into 1. So these two have common factor 5. 5 1s are 5 2s are. 1 11s are 11, 2 1s are 2. 11 by 2. 11 by 2 is an improper fraction, so convert this into mixed fraction. That is 10 means 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 left 1 by 2, 5 1 by 2, 5 1 by 2. This is also improper fraction, you have to convert into mixed fraction. 7 3s are 21, 3 left, 3 by 7. This is also improper, you have to convert. 8 1s are 8, 1 by 8. This is also mixed fraction, you have to convert. 11 4s are 44 and 4 left, 4 by 11. Okay, so this is also mixed fraction. 11 4s are 44 and 1 by 4. Now we have to multiply this. 12 into 6 by 13 into 1. There is no common factor, so direct you have to multiply. 12 6 are 72 by 13. Then this is improper fraction, convert into mixed. 13 5s are 65. 65 here 72 is there, 7 left, 7 by 13. 5 7 by 13. Then by 1. 11 into 11 by 1 into 9. 11 11s are 121 by 9. So this is improper fraction, we have to convert into mixed. 9 1s are 9, 3 left, 31. 9 3s are 27 means 27, 31, 4 left. 13 4 by 9. 13 4 by 9. So if you don't know, just you divide and check, okay, and do your sum. Now 2 into 9 by 1 into 22. Now you cancel with 2. 2 1s are 2 11s are. Then 1 9s are 9, 1 11s are 11, 9 by 11. That is, so here numerator is less than the denominator, so here this is the proper fraction. No need to change, no need to change. Okay. Now 10 into 6 by 11 into 1. 10 6 are 60, 11 1s are 11. 11 5s are 55, 4 by 11. Now 6 into 24 by 13 into 1. 1 into 13. 1 into 24 6 are 144. 24 6 are 144. by 13 ones are 13. 13 ones are 13. Then 144 in 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 ones are 13. 1 by 13. 13 1 by 13. Okay. Now here by 1. 30 into 5 by 1 into 6. These two have common factor 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 10s are 30. Then these two have again common factor 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are. Then 5 5s are 25 by 1 1s are 1. That is 25 by 1 means 25. Now by 1, 11 into 40 by 16 into 1. These two have common factor 4. 8. These two have common factor 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 5s are 40. That is 11 5s are 55 by 2 1s are 2. 27 1 by 2. 27 1 by 2 in mixed fraction. Now here 6 into 10 by 8 into 6. So these two have common factor 6 1s are 6 1s are. These two have common factor 2, 2 4s are 2 5s are. Now 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4, 5 by 4, that is 1 1 by 4. Next 8 by 5 into 24 by 13. Now we have to multiply 8 into 24, 5 into 13. 8 for the 32, 3, 8 to the 16, 19, 192, 65. 65. Now you have to convert this into improper fraction. 16 2s are 130, 130 and 62 left. 62 by 65. Now here 6 into 4 by 5 into 8. These two have common factor 4 1s are 4 2s are. Then again these two have common factor 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Then in the numerator 3 1s are 3 by 5. This is proper fraction. So in this way we have to do all our problems. First we have to multiply. First we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, the same pattern. So if whole number is given, so there is no by means by 1 is there. So according to that you have to multiply. So we have to take by 1 here. Don't multiply 11 8s are like that. 6 8s are 11 8s are. Don't multiply. There is no by means by 1 is there. So after that you have to take numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Any common factor is there, cancel with that common factor, and after that you have to find the product. If improper fraction is given, then convert into mixed fraction. So here more sums were left, total 36 sums were given, more 14 sums left. That 14 sums you have to 16 sums there. So that 16 sums you do as your home assignment. In the previous questions also 4 or 5 sums were left in each bit, that also you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now students, next concept, off concept. Off means, so here 3 by 4th of 16. So means, so what is the 3 by 4th portion in 16? In 16, what is the 3 by 4th value? Off means 3 by 4th value of 16. In 16, 3/4 value, how much we have to find? Off means we have to find multiplication sign. So we have to keep multiplication sign, and after that we have to write 16. There is no by means by 1 we have to take. Now after that we have to multiply numerator with numerator. 3 into 16 by 4 into 1. 4 into 1. Next, these two have common factor 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Then, so what is left in the numerator? 3 into 4. 3 into 4 in the denominator, 1 into 1. 3 4s are 12. 1 1s are 1. 12 by 1 means 12. So here 16th 3/4 value is 12. 16th, 3/4 value is 12. Okay. Half means we have to find the product. Next, 2 by 15th of 30. 2 by 15th value of 30, how much? So, 2 by 15, so we have to write half, instead of half we have to take multiplication sign, then after that we have to take 30. There is no by, means by 1 we have to write. Now, after that numerator with numerator, 2 into 30 by denominator with denominator, 4 into 1. Now, we have to cancel these to have common factor. So, that is why we have to cancel with 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. Then what is left in the numerator? 2 into 2. In the denominator, 1 into 1. 2 twos are 4, by 1 ones are 1. 4 by 1 is 4. Then 2 by 15th of 30 is 4. Then 7 by 21 of 48, how much? The same. 7 by 21 into 48. There is no by, means by 1 we have to write. Then 7 into 48 by 21 into 1. So, now these two have common factor 7. So, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Then after that these three have common factor 3. So, we cancel with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 16. 1 into 16, if you want to write in detail, so then write in detail. 1 into 16 in the numerator, in the denominator 1 into 1. 1 into 16 is 16, 1 ones are 1, that is 16 by 1 is 16. The next, 4 by 5 of 45 means 4 by 5 of means into 45. There is no by, means by 1 we have to write. 4 into 45 by 5 into 1. Now, we have to cancel these to have common factor. So, with 5 we have to cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. Then what is left in the numerator? 4 into 9 by 1 into 1. 4 nines are 36, 1 ones are 1. 36 by 1, 36. 4 by 5th of 45 is how much? 36. Okay. Half means we have to keep multiplication sign. So, then multiplication pattern, multiplication procedure we have to follow. Okay. Now in activity 5, what problems? So the first word problem, first we have to read the question, then understand. See here, Raju and Peter bought a large pizza to share. So then Raju ate 5/8 of a pizza. What fraction of the pizza was left for Peter? So here total, so one pizza they bought. In that one pizza, so 5/8 fraction, 5/8 fraction, who ate? Raju ate. Then how much pizza was left for Peter? She is asking. Then first what we have to do? So how much portion Raju ate? So Raju ate 5/8 of pizza. So this portion he ate. Then what fraction of the pizza was left for Peter? So what we have to find? So what fraction means in total one pizza, so we have to subtract this 5/8. Then whatever the difference will come, so that much portion is left for Peter. Here we have to subtract. From whole pizza, from complete pizza, we have to subtract this 5/8. Then fraction of pizza left for Peter. So in complete one pizza, so we have to subtract 5/8. There is no by means by 1. So how to subtract? So we have to multiply these denominators. 1/8 is 8. After that we have to cross multiply. First fraction numerator with second fraction denominator. 1/8 is 8. Then after that minus sign. First fraction denominator with second fraction numerator. 1/5 is 5. 8 minus 5, 3/8. 3/8 fraction is left. 3/8 fraction of the pizza is left for Peter. Okay. In this way we have to find. Okay. Now the second one, Miss Blooms baked a cake. She ate 1/12 of a cake and gave 7/12 of the cake to her neighbor. So what fraction of the cake was left here? So how much fraction of the cake she ate? 1/12. And how much fraction of the cake she gave to her neighbor? 7/12. First, how much ate and how much she gave? That two portions we have to add. So after adding that two portion, so in the complete one cake, that 2 we have to subtract. Then whatever the difference will come, so that much fraction of the portion, so fraction of the cake was left. Okay. First fraction of the cake, she ate how much? 1/12. Cake, fraction of the cake, she gave to neighbor. That is 7/12. So this much she gave. Then total fraction of the cake, total fraction of the cake, she ate and gave to neighbor. So we have to add 1/12 plus 7/12. These two are like fractions, direct we have to add numerators. 1 plus 7, 8. 8/12. Then fraction of the cake left. fraction of the cake left is equal to, in total one cake we have to subtract 8 by 12. There is no by, means by 1 we have to take. Now what to do? So we have to multiply this denominator, 1 12s are 12. Then after that what we have to do? First fraction numerator with second fraction denominator we have to multiply, 1 12s are 12. Then first fraction denominator with second fraction numerator, 1 8s are 8 minus 8, 12 minus 8 4, 4 by 12, 4 by 12. So these have common factor, 4 4 1s are 4 3s are, that is 1 by 3. This fraction of the cake left, 1 by 3 fraction of the cake left. First what we have to do? So we have to find, so the total fraction of the cake she ate and she gave to neighbor. So after adding, so that addition, that sum we have to subtract from whole cake, in complete cake. Then what fraction of the cake left we got. Then in the third question, Monica and Rayan shared 18 cookies. Monica ate 1/6 of the cookies and Rayan ate 1/3 of the cookies. How many cookies were left? So first we have to find, so this how many she ate, how many he ate, first we have to find. In the total cookies, that we have to subtract. So first number of cookies, number of is Monica ate. Monica, that is 1 by 6th, 1 by 6th portion, 1 by 6th into total 18 cookies. There is no by, means by 1 is there. Then 1 into 18 by 6 into 1. So these two have common factor, then cancel with 6, 6 1s are 6 3s are, then 1 3s are 3 by 1 1s are 1, then 3 by 1 is 3. 3 cookies she ate. Who? Monica. Then number of cookies, Rayan ate. Rayan ate. So that is 1/3. 1 by 3 into 18, 18 by 1. Then 1 into 18, 3 into 1. Then these 3 cancel in 3 table, 3 1s are 3 6s are. Then 1 6 are 6 by 1, 6 by 1, 6 cookies. 6 cookies she ate, he ate. Then total cookies, both 8 is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 cookies they ate. So 3 cookies she ate, Monica, and 6 cookies he ate, Rayan. Then both how many cookies they ate? 3 plus 6, 9 cookies they ate. Then how many cookies left? Number of cookies left. In total cookies, so we have to subtract 9 cookies. 18 minus 9, 9 cookies left. So this many cookies left. Okay, this is the procedure. Okay, students. Now the next word problem, see here, fourth. You go out for a long walk. You walked 3 by 4 miles. This many miles, and after that sit down and take rest, and then you walk 3 by 8 miles. So this many miles here, first 3 by 4 miles. How many miles are there?